Next, 29th, Janvi issued a check of 3,000 which is immediately deposited in the bank. This is receipt on 29th May by Janvi, to Janvi account. Amount is 3,000 in bank column because she issued a check. Next, rupees 1,000 cash deposited in the bank. Rupees 1,000 cash deposited in the bank. Rupees 1,000 cash deposited in the bank. What kind of transaction it is, students? This transaction is called contra transaction. This transaction is called contra transaction. Why? Because in a single transaction, cash and bank, both account are included. In a single transaction, cash account and bank account, both accounts are included. So it is called contra transaction. Because as a first effect, cash goes from business, cash balance decrease. Second, bank balance increase. Because from our business cash goes, cash balance decrease, but in a bank balance increase. कैश जो हमारे पास से गया वो कहाँ चला गया? बैंक में. सो कैश बैलेंस विल बी डिक्रीज बट बैंक बैलेंस increase. So in a single transaction, both account are included. So it is called contra transaction. So receipt from 30 May. In receipt side, बैंक कॉलम, बैंक में कितना रिसिप्ट हो रहा है? 1,000. क्या रिसिप्ट हो रहा है? टू कैश अकाउंट. बट ऑन सेम वे क्या जा रहा है? कैश जा रहा है. कहां जा रहा है? बैंक में. एंड इन LF कॉलम वी राइट C. C means contra entry. Means in the receipt side cash balance increase. In receipt side bank balance is increase. In receipt side bank balance is increase. How? By cash. कैसे increase हो रहा है? कैश से. But on other way, cash balance is decreased because cash goes out from the business. How? Because cash goes to बैंक. बैंक में कैश जा रहा है, कैश डिक्रीज हो रहा है और बैंक इंक्रीज हो रहा है. So this is contra entry transaction. Okay, student? Hope you understand. If you any kind of doubt, you can call me, you can ask me and clear your all doubts. Okay? Now add all this column and found out what is the balance of the both cash side and bank side. It is your homework. If you have any doubt, you can call me for this also, for what is the balance, and for contra entry you can call also me. Okay? Question number 6 is your homework. Question number 6 is your homework. This is a question for cash and bank column. Means 2 columnar cash book is your homework. In next lecture we prepare cash, bank and discount column. Okay?